Hello everyone, today I'm very excited to make this video, and we've been waiting for this for a long time, and we will be cutting green mangoes and eating in front of you and share with you. This is a video I've been waiting for so long, because this channel is Green Mangoes and my wife and I love green mangoes so much, and I will give you a taste of what it tastes and sound like today. So let's get to it and slice it open and eat it.
Alrighty, so you want to cut it?
Okay, so first we have the sauce here, and in order to make this sauce, green mangoes can be eaten with many kind of sauce. How many sauce are there?
We have, let's see, so this is just salt and chili pepper, and we can also do sugar and fish sauce with chili pepper added into it, and also some people like black pepper and
Shrimp paste.
yeah, black pepper with the fish sauce and sugar, and then also there's another sauce with the shrimp paste and chili pepper.
Okay.
So there's many ways that you can eat it.
So the way we made this sauce was we had chili pepper and salt, and we grind it in and grind it by hand, and then mix it together. So now we going to cut open the mango and have you try with us. So in order to cut mango, the first thing is, this is still raw, by the way, and the inside is still white. So when cutting this, you gotta be careful. Cut it down.
Yeah, make sure you have a
Sharp knife, and I want to cut it to the bottom, so I have a flat base, so I can put it here, so it doesn't move. And from the top going down, so as you can see, this mango is starting to ripe a little bit, but it's still hot and crunchy. Some of people eat with the peel on, some don't. Do you eat with the peel on?
with the peel on, but this depends on my mood. Sometimes I don't want to do too much of chewing, then I'll peel off the.
Okay. So today let's eat with the skin on.
Okay.
Okay, you want to have the first taste?
Crunchy, salty, and spicy, and sour. Gotta love it.
Hey, let me try this. You want to try it? No?
What about
I don't know if you can hear the crunch. So sour, so addicting, and salty and spicy.
If you wanted to let them hear it, you have to be all quiet.
You think we can finish this whole thing?
Yeah, we can, but it's gonna take a while.
I want to try it, but I have to brush my teeth.
If you like to be adventurous, give it a try. I think you'll like it. If you like the taste of sour, crispy, crunchy, spicy, and salty, you gotta try it, okay? Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe. See you next time.